guys, Josh here from Brisbane Fishing with your dosage of fishing goodness. Today we're doing a little bit different. We're going out for a magnet fish instead of a threadfin salmon fish because there's heaps of metal objects currently in the Brisbane River. So I've been told. I don't know. I reckon it's going to be pretty ordinary. We're probably just going to get crab pots, hooks. What else? Pylons. Oh, hopefully we don't get a pylon. What is everybody else thinking we're going to get?
Cans.
Cans? Tin cans?
Just trash.
Just trash.
There's a couple of emo kids. Drowned emo kids.
Drowned emo kids.
Metal in their face.
Oh. Also, we're going to try and find my sunnies because I lost them in this very spot. So we're going to give it a red hot crack, and you're probably going to see us again real soon when we actually have some sort of content.
Good hinge on this.
Hey?
Good hinge.
What? Who comments on a hinge? Oh,
that is a nice hinge.
Yeah, she's got a good hinge on it.
That is a nice. That hinge is
you
nice.
open it.
That's it. From a sitting position.
You mean it's like a tight fit?
Yes.
That's got a...
Who doesn't like a tight fit?
Come on, entertain me, Josh.
Well, let's see if we can lose the magnet on the first go.
That's not.
Sploosh. I think it's just fun throwing it out like that. Where's my sunnies? Let's squish past, get it raw. Ah. And that's how you throw a magnet. We're going to do a segment later in the video, guys, on how to throw a magnet. I hope there's a bit of metal on it. Let's film it.
I'm gonna try and get it.
Wow, is that a Lego tire? I swear it's a Lego tire. Oh, that's like spot.
I don't think it's got any metal in it.
No, I don't think so.
I think you would have got it otherwise. Jeez, you're a better shot than Mikhail. Mikhail's cute.
Yeah.
You can't get it now. What do we got?
It looks like a...
No way, is that a Lego
It
tire?
looks like
It's
fairly
got a lot of
new
water
too.
in it.
What's that?
It looks fairly new. Still got the tread on it, mate.
Wow.
Beautiful. Top-notch find.
We went magnet fishing and we didn't find anything magnetic.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Well, it's a new tire.
There you go.
It's like raining, but it's not raining. It's just raining there, legit.
No, I can feel.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. It's raining. Oh, that storm is actually progressing quite rapidly.
Oh, I can feel it now.
Oh, it's quite pleasant. Like when you throw a loaf of
There's
bread.
a thong over there, mate.
Let's get the thong. We're not even getting it.
It's like a Birkenstock.
Where's the other half of this thong? Maybe.
Like a bougie thong.
Alright, Mikhail, this one's yours. This is all you. This is all you.
I'll take a children's one. Oh, it might have a buckle.
Prospecting is all about. This is the highlight of the day. I'm trying to keep us a nice close distance so you can at least hit it with the magnet.
You may as well just pull straight up on it.
I'm getting us there. Alright, come on, get it.
It's a Birkenstock.
Is it?
Magnet?
It says Birkenstock on it. No, I don't think so. It's plastic.
Ah.
Beautiful one
Wait,
Birkenstock.
there you go.
Now we just look like chumps. Oh, we got it. Look at that. Look at that. We've caught it. That is a find right there.
One Birkenstock. What's the tread like?
It's actually got good tread.
Beautiful.
I feel like we're grading like Pokemon cards or something.
Yeah.
It's a little off center.
It'll get a PSA.
This
6.
is what Beck at 9.
Yeah, oh,
Beck at 9.5.
it's the gold label. For
Can't
sure.
even get your magnet off.
How do you get the magnet out? Wow. Is it my size? Nah, it's a little small. It's so random. Is that a stick over there? Or is that a bigger thong? It looks like a big thong from here.
What is that?
It looks like a big sandal.
It really does though.
It looks like a massive jandal sandal.
To the jandal.
It's like Payless Shoes just dumped all their excess Christmas stock in.
Payless shoes have dumped their stock.
Oh, they wouldn't have Birkenstocks, would they?
No, look at that. What a find.
If only
This is just gonna be failed magnet sessions.
Yeah.
if you could get the other thong, that'd be decent.
Well, at least you'd have a set, and then we could probably make a little bit of money to pay for the magnets that we spent.
Yeah,
Money
you,
on.
you
I don't
could.
know. I don't know
Money
if
on
anyone,
magnets.
if there's like any.
That storm looks gnarly. That storm's looking so gnarly.
Oh, is it a?
It's just a
Chicken.
pontoon.
Oh, is it?
It's a pontoon. It's not a chicken.
Oh,
I just thought it was a domestic. I was like,
As
what's
you do.
this domestic?
As you do.
yeah.
We're definitely gonna have to bounce after we pick this jandal up. A big heap of driftwood.
It looks like a big thong there.
What is it? Oh, it's actually a pile of sticks to side with it. But legit looked like a jandal from a distance.
A big old Birkin.
Birkenstocken?
So if someone like,
What is it? Birkenstocken? Birkensticken?
so if someone dropped their Birkenstock in the water, obviously it floated, but they just go, ah, f it.
I guess so. Unless maybe it was on the back of the boat and they didn't notice.
Wow, look at that. It's a palm prawn. And we're definitely gonna bounce.
Yeah. Oh, she got it.
Oh, you actually got it.
Yeah. And it's heavy too.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
gonna have to deal with it.
Just
Oh
pull it
wait,
in.
no, I got it.
Oh, cool.
No, it was stuck.
Phew. Alright, we're gonna bounce.